Excuse me. It was bad. And then, oh yeah, told him, asked him if he wanted chocolate. Period. I didn't want to dump it in the sink without me. It ain't gonna smell, but. What's going on? How we doing, everybody? Ooh-ah! Tony, Grand Rising, Donald, Jason, Trader Cacho. I don't even know how to say it. Is it Cacho? 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 I don't know. But good morning. Rob, good morning. Zishan, good morning. Hope you all had a good weekend. Heard some crazy stuff going on down there in Austin, Zishan. Texas making the news again. Pretty crazy. Obviously, we were expecting this. Pretty good range so far today. We got like 500 points or so. It seems to have slowed down a little bit. Tried to rebound to fill that gap right when we opened last night, but then overnight, we pretty much just trickled down all the way to 24,477. I want to see where that puts us at on the daily. All right, so we're still not below that key area of that 350, but we're close. We're getting pretty close. Right now, we're bouncing off that last dip we had, which was 449. So far, we bounced pretty much right off of that, 477. We'll see what happens. If we can roll back over and we can get below this 350 area, things... well, I would definitely... I mean, for things to get real scary, we'd have to get down here below 200. But 350 is where we start getting into that wait a minute type area, right? Because we got this line right here, which is right at 500. So we did dip under there, but got bought up as of right now. We'll see what happens if we get back there. But as of right now, we got about 2.5 minutes until the open. Let's see what happens. How many points is $1,000 with 2 contracts on the mini? Let me do the math real quick. 5 points would be 200, so it would be 25 points, which is 100 ticks. Just curious what that looks like. Oh wow, that's it. Jeez, yeah, I guess today we are far away. All right, minute and a half here. I was just looking for the for one of these trader launch accounts. Oh wait, I'm on the micros. Switch over. I don't like that it's coming back up. I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Over there. Yeah, that's kind of far away. All right, 40 seconds. If I put a buy stop out, it's probably going to be above this 655. I'm probably going to put a sell stop out here below 620. I don't know if I want the long though, to be honest. All right, 10 seconds. I don't know if I want the long here. I think there's going to be a lot of selling. All right, good luck, everybody. Nikes. I'm actually in short. That's not good. Tagged me in. I raised it up. Damn it. Need this to fail like right now. Need it to fail. Fail. Fail, go. I need 607. 607. Go, 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 go. Go. No. Yes. All right. We just passed the buffer zone on one of the trader's launch accounts. My thought process was if we tried higher and failed, I moved it up. Wow, and we just got it too. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this thing rip now. Wow. I moved it up just enough. I had it at 607, like 25. And what did that get to? Woo! 605.25. Came down just enough. Wow, look at this thing rip.
Order filled.
This is risky. We're back on micros, obviously. I was gonna wait for it to break this 740, but it was stalling out there. I thought we might get a little pullback first. But it looks like it wants to go for it.
Order working. Order working. Order filled. Order working.
Let me see if we can't get the 700 retest. I mean, obviously we could just go straight for the gap fill. I don't think we're going to do that, but possible. Anything's possible, right?
Order working.
Dang. I didn't think we would go straight up, but here we are. Jesus. That's 200 points. Jesus. Just like that. 200 points in 4 minutes. Trying to manage here. I mean, obviously, if we just go straight up, I mean, we're pretty screwed. Oh, yeah, we probably lost our Tradeify account already. I didn't even think about that. I forgot it. Oh, yeah. Tradeify account's gone. Wow. If you're going to go down from here, you're telling me you couldn't have got my ad there? Missed me by 2 points. I can't complain about 2 points right now. I gave you 2 points on the other account. We're fine.
Order filled. Order working.
Man, that gap fill is starting to look like it might actually just happen. Holy crap.
Order working.
Oh my god.
Order filled.
All right. Well, either it works here or these accounts are toast.
Order filled.
Yeah, I mean, if this goes higher, we're pretty done.
Order filled.
pretty much just banking on this being the temporary top.
Order working. Order working.
Needs to fail here. Oh, one little quick snapback. Nope. All right, well, looks like these Apex accounts, within 4 days, these Apex accounts got completely eaten up. Gone. They gone.
Order filled.
All right, they're gone. Well, they should be. For some reason, it's saying we're still in. No. Yeah.
Order rejected.
That's crazy. All right, well, there go those accounts. I can't say that I'm honestly that sad about them, but what a move. All right, what do we do here? Oh, we are gonna just straight up fill the gap right here, right at the open. That is crazy. I was not expecting that. I figured there was gonna be so much selling pressure from all this, but I guess not. God damn. Is this just the big boys like coming up to fill the gap just to get in before we push it back down? Like this is nuts. This is nuts. This thing is still going. Yeah, they were the old Apex accounts. Yeah, no more old Apex accounts for me. I mean, do we grab another Apex account? I don't know. Let's see. Apex's website is being weird. It's like giving me an error every time I try to do something, but then if you hit refresh, it works. Damn, I'd be trying to get in right now too, just for the eval purposes, but well. Of course, it's basically a top tick too. It's funny. what's going on with Apex's website. It keeps giving me an error. Now even when I'm hitting refresh, it doesn't work. The database connection failed. Like sometimes when you hit refresh, it works. Sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, I mean, I kind of figured this might happen. They really rushed to get this all out. Oh, that time it actually worked. So, oh, now it's working. Oh, no, never mind. Oh, this is getting on my nerves. We didn't get the high of the day yet? Yeah, I don't think so either. Or, well, we didn't. $901. Plus, we got the gap at $950. How depressing would that be if I might have lasted had I not added these 3 contracts? Because I might not have got stopped. Oh, no, it was just 2. It's 2. What a crazy move that was. I could have took one off. I don't think it would have saved me, though. All right. End of day trail down. Or do we do the 150K? What's the 50K cost? This error, man. I hope they fix that. It's gonna get annoying. $30. They're holding pretty good here at that 800 area. If this breaks, it probably goes down to 740. But as of right now, it's looking like it wants to go higher. So they changed the 25Ks as well. The drawdown versus the profit target isn't 1-to-1 anymore. It's all 3-to-2. 50K is 3-to-2. Welcome to the jungle, bitch! What's going on down? The 100K is 2-to-1. And then so this is like in between. It's like 2.65 to 1. The 150K. So the 25K kind of lost its that 1-to-1 niceness. The daily loss limit is the thing that really kind of makes these suck. The end of day drawdown is nice, but there's a daily loss limit on it. So and they did lower the contracts as well. So the 25K, I feel like it kind of loses its luster a little bit now. Might as well just go for the 50K. I mean, it's only an extra $2. I almost feel like the end of day drawdown is not even worth it. It'd be cool if they did it kind of like Take Profit Trader, where it was intraday, but then it turns to end of day. We'll try one of these. This is going to be annoying. This error, database connection fail. I wonder if it's because there's so many people signing up, or like I wonder why it's doing this. What's up, Don? We got absolutely smoked on that move up this morning. It's working fine for you? I keep getting this error. Let me show you. Trying to zoom in a little so you could see it better, but I keep getting that error like when I try to do stuff. I don't know what's going on with that. But then I just hit refresh and it acts like that never even happened. So I don't know. Did you try to? Leia, what's up? SK, good morning. What do you think? Obviously not, because you would have lost me. All right, here we go. Looking to break those highs. All right, what are we gonna do here? I should have a new account coming in at some point. Really do think we're gonna fill that gap. I mean, we don't make this move at the open without filling the gap, right? Our GDT's having issues as well. Sucks. What kind of issues is he having? See how Alpine and Nutty and them did this morning? And like Alpine got the opening trade, so that's good. I definitely got to start taking that every morning again, for sure. I'll probably do it again tomorrow morning. Not for $1,000, but Got right to it. Running into it. See what happens. Did I get the new account yet? Nope. Maybe I gotta close and reopen. Try to do that real quick before we break that high. There it is. Nice little rejection literally right off the high there. Didn't even make a new high. Got to 899. 5 ticks away from the high. Doesn't mean anything if we don't break this 800 area though. Where's my orange line at? There it is. Give me my orange line. I need it. I'm not gonna lie, those Apex accounts kind of like, I'm not glad they're gone. I was hoping to save them, but saving accounts sucks, man. Three days it took to just demolish those accounts. And I broke the MAE rule on it anyway, so I would have had to like go through not getting a payout, and it would have took a long time to get payouts on those accounts. I don't really know what to think about this right now. I mean, we could easily just go straight back down, but we got to break this 800 first. See what happens if we come up and make a lower high here. Could be a good short to roll over. Little head and shoulders type shit. Where is everybody? My stream not getting pushed out there this morning? It says there's 5 people in here. What's going on with that? I've said hi to more than 5 people, huh? Something going on with YouTube? Hi. Lurking? Yeah, but for some reason it's saying there's only 5 people. Usually by this time we're over 20, closer to 30. Just kind of weird. It's 10. For me now it says 4. Okay, let me show you. It says 4. Kind of weird. Or it's like, maybe my computer is bugging out today. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so far holding. I want to see if we make a higher low or lower high here. I think a lower high is more what people are looking for. What's up, pushback? It says 11. Now it says 9 now. I don't know. GDT got his Wi-Fi power cut off? Jeez. I haven't heard back from TPT. I was kind of hoping. I know they don't do, like, they don't really work on the weekends, so hopefully today, tomorrow, Wednesday. Kind of hoping to hear something. When was that? When did I have my meeting with them? Was it Thursday? It was Wednesday, or it was Tuesday. Maybe it was Wednesday. Oh no, it was Thursday. It was Thursday. It was Thursday. So yeah, I mean, that's only Thursday, Friday. This is really just 2 days. And I know they still were interviewing other people. So I'm being patient. I'm just excited, you know. You always want to hear back when something like that happens. Starboy, what's going on? He's at a coffee shop using Wi-Fi and live. I don't see that he's... Oh, here he is. That's ballsy. Oh, up to 13. Getting recommended. Oh, GDT's not even working for... Oh, yeah, he is. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Bouncing again, but this looks like we're gonna roll over though. I want to get this short so bad. Obviously we can't reclaim this, but if we reject here, wow, never mind. This could very easily just go straight to high a day now. I was expecting like 840. It just went straight through. Wow. Wow, this is bullish. We're going to the highs. Once we reclaim this candle, I should have just jumped in long. Like, there's no way you have a red engulfing candle like that into this. Like, that's crazy without continuing at least to try the highs. Kellyanne's short with a rocket scooter. That's hilarious. It's gonna break the high. There you go. It's gonna probably go fill that gap. This is a ugly 2 candles. I was ready to go short and ride this thing down and just absolutely. Oh, and a little fake out at the highs. Just fake it. I mean, this wasn't really a fake out, right? Because we didn't break this 800 area. It just bounced right off of it. God, that's crazy. If for some reason you had an order here at 800 or 802, it was like an instant 70 points. Crazy. This might just dump. If we can't get through the highs here, this might just dump straight back down here to 800, which is crazy. These are almost 70 point candles. Jason, good morning. Why is this not showing? Oh, did that move somehow? I don't remember moving that. Market's so bullish, yeah, right now. I mean, to be fair though, we are down. We were down quite a bit. The low is at 477. I mean, we're almost reclaimed. We're, yeah, 400 points already. All right, here we go. See what happens. Breaking the high. We go for the gap fill. Market been bullish for years. I mean, Jason, you're not wrong. Yeah, there's going to be days where you get spanked a little, but overall, yeah. There we go. We'll fill that gap. Let's go fill that gap. I don't know why my butt hurts today. Like, I don't know if it's the way I'm sitting or what, but it kind of hurts. No, no. Yeah, I mean, Jason, you're probably right there. I don't know if it's just the way that I'm sitting. Honestly, I don't know.
Brother,
Brother,
Daddy, chill.
going for the gap. There it is. Going for the full gapper. Trying to be real patient here. I know I'm back on an eval here, but there we go. The gapper almost completely filled there. What a frickin' open, guys. Holy crap. Look at this. 600 to 950. 350 points. And basically, all of that was in the first 10 minutes. Crazy. It wants that full gap fill. Man, we should have just went long here, man. I'm telling you, when it broke this red engulfing candle, that was a sign. That was a sign. I don't want to try this, I'm not going to lie. A little fake out, maybe.
Order filled. Order working.
On the eval here. Oh, that was quick. We get a little bit of a breakdown. I'm going to move it to break even. Stop at the
Order
highs.
filled.
It might try to fake out one more time, but seeing if we can't get the Dumperooski. At least down to here, 900.
Order working. Order filled.
All right, we'll take it. 400. The reclaim, man. Crazy. See if we can fail to make a new high here. If we can fail to make a new high, we'll probably get the move lower. But I jumped out there. I was just looking for the retest of 900. It was previous resistance. It's so strong right now. We didn't even get down to it. It's an eval, Z, but yeah, you're right. Evals are, I'm a little more risky. If we blow through 950, I mean, it could be off to the races. And that just opens up a whole nother level. I really would love to get in short again, but this could just very easily be a fake out. We did fail to go high though. Higher. All right, we actually are getting a little bit of a failure here. It needs to get through 900 if it wants to continue down. It's trying, there we go. It's not quite. Honestly, if I were to get short looking for this thing to V back down, I mean, it already had its opportunity to V. It didn't want to. Just probably a sign that it's not going to. But it would need to get through 900, come down to like, I don't know, between 870 and 850, come back up, retest 900, and then roll over. That's what it needs in order to gain the momentum back down. You need to actually like sit back and wait for those types of opportunities. For the bigger move picture, for the bigger picture moves. Market hasn't given any clean V shapes lately. Yeah, you're not wrong. You are not wrong. So far, we're holding at 900. Yeah, Zishan, I was watching stuff on that this morning. They were talking about how it was a terrorist attack. Yeah, it is sad. Just out with your buddies, friends, having a good time. All right, this could be the move we're looking for. Failed to make a new high twice now. Lower high, come down through 900. Now what you really want to see is a move through somewhere like 870 and then a pop back up, retest 900, and then roll over. There we go. Now you want this to happen over the course of like 3 to 5 minutes. You don't want it to just happen right away. You want this to come up, retest 900. Then theoretically you could get in with a stop around like 925 once you see it starting to kind of roll over. We don't want this to just keep going down. If we just keep going down, there's really no entry there. Yeah. Hopefully we get some sort of a bounce to retest 900. What? What are these candles, bro? What are these candles? Crazy.
Gay.
Do you want to win the war United States of Israel or Iran? Jesus. I think there's an obvious answer in there. I mean, we did fail to make a new high off of that. We need this to start working its way down. What a fake out that this would be if this just reclaimed and went flying high. Wow. I guess I'm gonna log now. I mean, that's the thought process. I mean, in theory, this should pretty much just go straight up now. What a fake out. I mean, this might just play with us. I heard Trump's supposed to be talking at some point.
That don't make no sense.
Shameless Fiona. What's going on? Donald is present. I don't really know what to do. I mean, we are failing to go higher. I don't know, guys. This is just chop. I was going to say real quick that, like, we're probably just going to chop if they're waiting for Trump to say something. And then whatever Trump decides to say is going to make the market go kaplooey one way or the other. This does look pretty good, though. Failed to move higher. Can hold under 900. It's just not textbook, you know? Like textbook would have been break 900, come up, retest 900, and roll over. But instead it went all the way back through, broke the previous lower high. So now you can't even get in before the break of this because you don't know what this is. And this could very well just start to form a higher low. I don't know. It's a very confusing market. There's really no trades in here. The next possible trade would be the break of here, come down, retest, and then roll over. And then if you can't get that trade, then you got to come all the way down here at 800 and do the same thing. You got to break here, retest, and then look for it to roll over. Like that. If you're looking for textbook setups, like that's what you're looking for. I mean, could you get long here with a stop here? Yeah, sure. But everything's pointing that this wants to roll over. So it's like, why would you get long here? All right, there we go. So we did break it. Let's see what happens. And everything pointed to this happening, right? But with how everything's trading, like you don't know what's actually going to happen. So you can't just assume. I mean, you can, but it's not the right way to trade. I think we can get back to VWAP. Where is VWAP? I don't have that on my chart. I mean, this is just nuts. Oh, man. I mean, this is just trash. Like, what is this? This is 24/7/41. Oh yeah, I mean we could definitely get back down there if we fail. All right, we are failing this area. See what happens. You want it to go through like 830 area would be perfect because you don't want it to get too low. But then you want to see a retest and then a roll over. But the way it's been trading, we're going to get this little poke through and then it's just going to shoot straight back up to 900. So we'll see. 780 is the prior day low. Yeah, I mean, I guess. So it's more 800 than 780, but I guess on the bigger time frame, it's all the same. I mean, what do you even do with this? Let's do this, I guess. So honestly, I've been so bored after that open that I didn't even think about this. Hold on, I gotta change the timing here. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 2 minutes. Honestly, we might just run this a few times and I might just get out of here because, I mean, this is... And there's nothing to trade, especially if we just start slowing down. We actually are coming down here. This is much more clean than up here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order working.
Stop 882, just above here. I didn't want to miss it, so I grabbed one there, but damn. Immediately said F you.
Stop filled.
And that's why you don't take those trades. That's crazy. That's why you don't take those trades. This could be a quick eval. Down to 600 and drawdown. I would have just went long instead, you know?
Order filled.
I was counting on 900 holding here. If we start to reject, I'm gonna hit it again.
Order filled.
Going for broke here. It's gotta fail. It's gotta fail. It's gotta fail. Gotta fail. It's gotta fail. Nope. Alright, that account is probably gonzo. It was close. Didn't quite get gonzoed. Just trying though. Oh. It's like right there. It's like if it goes just that little bit higher, it's gone.
Order filled.
Now if it gets just back to the high, it's gone. I thought we were going to break back below 900 there. No. No. No.
Order filled.
If it fails right here, I'm going to be so pissed. You better go now. You better go. Go. Thank you. All right. I would have been so pissed if it failed right there. All right. Well, there went 20 bucks. Yeah, well, that's why it's an eval. Should have just went long, I guess. What a joke this market is. That's what I'm saying. You can't get a read. Every time it looks like it's going to do what you think it's going to do, it's just doing the opposite. So, like Jason said, I mean, it's definitely a tricky market to be a part of. All right. Marbles is closed. We're going to run marbles and then I'm just going to get out of here. I don't want to buy another account because I'm not getting a good read on the market. Straw, I'll add you. Straw will be the last one. How many was it? 38. No problem. I'm actually like, I'm actually in a good mood, just having a bad day. All right, let's run this 3 times, and then on the 3rd attempt, if nobody... Oh, hold on, I gotta change the cash money. We're up to 110 now. If nobody wins on the first 3, we'll go... As long as somebody crosses the bridge, we'll keep going. Kind of like we were doing last week. Shit, I might even go to the gym. Just do some cardio. I'm still chilling at 198. I can't seem to get below 198 now. Thankfully, I'm not going back up, which is a good thing, but I really want to hit 195 before I start lifting. Yeah, with the new Apex stuff, buy a TPT account and get in a quick flip day. And if I bought a TPT account, I'd probably do the 150s again. I really missed that 150 TPT account that I had. I think going back to like having a few accounts and trading them all separately is the way to go. That way I can't wreck an entire like month, you know? At least I can only wreck like one account at a time if something like that happens. You made it? You're in the race. So what I was saying, Jason, is I don't think a flip account is going to matter on a full 150K. I'll give that some thought the rest of the day, what I want to do moving forward. We do have the Traders Launch account, so we're doing good there. That'll be a funded account. I'll probably switch over to micros on that, because it's only 1,000 in drawdown, so I gotta be careful with that. I'll probably save the other one for tomorrow's open, since we passed that one today. Are we even gonna get one past the bridge? Well, I guess not past the bridge. I meant to the bridge, but not a good first race. Not a good first race. Chart is looking like it wants to officially fill the gap and go higher. Struggling though right here. The actual dump could be right here. If it can't break 950, 952, we could see a nice little dump all the way down to 800. But it's looking like it wants to break 952 and just go higher. Man, imagine you did the like put a long at the open around like 650 or something like that, and then just kept trailing. I mean, 200 point move almost instantly at the open. That's crazy. Not looking good for the bro. Oh, Papa now might have broke the system. If we don't get one on the next race, though, we're in trouble. 2 for 2. The bridge wins. All right, third race could be the final race. We are breaking the highs here. All right, broke the highs, broke yesterday's close. Not by much, but did sneak through there. It's rejecting pretty hard at the moment. All right, we need at least one to cross the bridge. Whoa, Don, where are you? Whoa, 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 whoa. I always wondered if you could somehow land perfectly and go around the other side on that. All right, we need at least one to get across the bridge here to continue our journey. Go, 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 go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Nope. Not looking good. Down to 8. Oh, Papa now! Papa now, you were the one that almost saved it last time. Saves it. All right, didn't quite get across there, but you did get us another race. You did get us at least one more race. Oh, Josh going for it. Okay, okay. That's got a shot. Yes! Got one shot at it. Mr. Josh Allen himself. Mr. Josh Allen himself. All right, we all know the drill. Got to get past the first laser first. Oh, this is not looking good. No. Yeah, that wasn't looking good at all. You were going way too slow anyway. All right. But you and Papa now got us another race. Let's do it. Bum, 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 ba. I wish there was a fast forward button. Just so we could get to the point where we're dropping down the hole, you know? That would be pretty cool. There's a slow-mo button, but not a fast forward button. Oh, chart is rejecting a little bit. The real Donald. First one attempting the bridge. Not looking good. You drop down and there's no lasers. The odds are by the time you get to the bridge, there's going to be lasers. Where are you guys going? You got to go the other way. Josh, can he save it again? Nope. There's no lasers. That means you're screwed. Hopping out again? Oh, could you imagine? Imagine Papa now comes in there and just saves everybody again. Slow it down. You're good. Market is really tanking. Got 2 more chances, Prophet and Don. Comes down to Prophet. There is a chance. Oh, last marble. Are you kidding me? Wow, let's go. Is he gonna also make it? Nope. Let's go. All right, run it back. Last Marvel, that's crazy. The market is getting a decent little pullback here. Made a new high. Failed pretty quickly. Then made a lower high, and now we're rolling. Question is, how far do we roll? How far do we roll? See, we get back down to 850. If it can break 850, it might go straight down to that 800. And then it could be lights out. But obviously we got 850. So far we're making a higher low, right? Until we break that 850, we're not even making lower lows yet, so until you make a lower low, none of this matters. Yeah, see, we're just popping right back up. Sheesh, big pop back up. Dun, 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 dun. That ain't gonna do it. That ain't gonna do it neither. Neither is that. Neither is that. Neither is the Starboy's got a chance. Starboy's got a chance. Oh, Starboy said, let's go. Didn't make it, but got at least one more race. Wow, and you were the only one that even had a chance at the bridge. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. Well, I hope we don't sit here all day, but, you know, hey, rules are rules. Rules are rules. Market trying to go right back to the highs again. Crazy. Crazy market, man. This is a crazy market. Right when you think it's about to do something, it just keeps doing the opposite. Needy, what's going on? New day, new evals. Let's go. Are the marble maps randomly chosen or you choose? I choose them. They can be randomly chosen, but I choose them. This is a death map. It's not meant to be easy to beat. When we do the giveaways and stuff throughout the week and on Fridays, I make sure we pick a map that someone's always going to win. See Day Baby in here. I didn't remember seeing Day Baby say anything though. Ooh, laser. Josh is like, come on, we already know where we're going. Let's just get there already. I agree, Josh. You're here? What's going on, Day Baby? That ain't gonna work, Josh. Ain't gonna work either, Raul. This might work. Oh, nope. Tony? 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 Tony, let's go. 11 o'clock. Holy crap. I can't believe it's 11 o'clock. The real Donald saves the day. I mean, you were only like the first attempt, so. Oh, we can't get anyone through, though. We've had one person get through every single time just to keep playing. This better be worth it. Somebody better win. That's all I'm going to say. Somebody better win. Market attempting to roll back over. We need to break 877 area. 877 area is the first break, and then we got 850, and then we got 800. Or this could just be yet another higher low. Which, if you really zoom out, we're in a ascending triangle at the moment. We're just making higher lows, and we're running into the same resistance. And until we either break the resistance or we break that trend line to the downside, we're just going to keep doing what we're doing. We're wedging, triangling, whichever one you want to call it. But whichever one breaks, it's probably going to go. Whichever one breaks, it's probably going to go. So that 950 area for the highs, or if we can break 875 area to the, and then we might start making our way down. But as of right now, we're just in a very nice looking ascending triangle. That's all it is. We're scissoring. Eventually one of them will break, right? Because if you keep wedging, the whole point of a wedge is that eventually it meets an end. I'll show it to you guys on the chart once we finally lose at marbles. Or win. Never know. Obviously, it's possible. Trader Cacho. Cacho. It's like a sneeze, but Cacho. Uh-oh, we're down to 6. 5, not looking good. It's got to hang up. It's got to hang up. Did not. Down to 3. Uh-oh. Edna, I don't know if that's... Yeah, that should have enough speed. You should be good. All right, Edna may be our last opportunity here. There are some lasers, which is good. No, there was one laser. Okay, FS Trade. He's here. Can we get to another one? Nope. All right. So here's what I'm... Oops, I did not mean to move that. Here's what I'm talking about. Let's go to the 5 minute. It'll be a lot easier to see. We're literally just making... Look, I'll even use yesterday's close right there. Look. So if we were to get rid of these lines, it's literally just we're ascending triangle, right? Lower or higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We keep making higher lows, and then we have the same resistance point, which is a triangle. Eventually, though, this has to do what? It has to either break this or it has to break this. So one of these is going to happen. It's just a matter of when. That's really all there is to it. That's really all there is to it. But all right, I'm gonna get out of here because it is looking like this is just gonna go up and tinker around again. So there's really nothing here for me. But yeah, even down here at the 1 minute, kind of draw it like
Hello,
this.
darkness, my old friend.
Pretty much. All right, I'm out of here. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, same time, same place. I'll figure out a game plan moving forward. But we do have the Traders Launch account that we passed. Jason, damn it, man. Sorry to hear that. I wish I could say I'm not in the same boat, but I'm right there with you. The best prop firm to buy, I would say, is either Take Profit Trader or Lucid. I would say Lucid and Take Profit Trader right now are the best two. And then right behind them, I would go with Tradeify and Apex. If you're still looking for the early end, I mean, Traders Launch is right up there too, but Traders Launch is hard. If you're having trouble passing evals, I don't recommend Traders Launch. I recommend Apex, actually, if you're having trouble passing evals, because just they're the cheapest barrier to entry. They have 90% off right now, which is the best that they ever offer. So yeah. Did you post that in the wrong chat, Jason? I'm confused. I just answered. I just answered you, man. I'm actually going to sit here for a second. I want to see if this breaks. Man, I'm not going to trade. I'm just curious. We're running it right into that resistance again. Is Jason... Jason, are you a bot? You're typing the same thing again. I know, but you're typing the same thing you just typed. I was just being funny, obviously. I mean, it's just, this is a crazy market. I'm not going to lie. Every time it looks like it's going to roll over, they just pop it right back up. It's crazy. It's got to hit the long button at some point. There we go. We can get back above that 950 area. Trying. Might get a little pop if it does. Probably a few stop losses chilling up here. Right at it. There it goes. A little pop. Probably a few stop losses chilling in there. Oh,
Daddy, chill.
Daddy, chill. I mean, this could just run. Got above that area. This very easily could just run. We're not on any kind of like fast movement here, so this could just grind higher. Watch it for a sec. Just looking. I'm just curious if it will actually like get a big pop or not. I mean, we're that close to 25K now too.
Gotta give him that hawk too and spit on that thing. You get me?
Hey, I get you. I get you. Now, is this the fake out? Who really knows, man? This is so confusing to watch. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Ain't no reason to watch it. Why is my chart wasn't even up that time? You guys gotta tell me this stuff. I think this is gonna be a breakout. I think we're gonna bounce off of this area. We're gonna use yesterday's close to hold, and yeah, I think we're just gonna move higher at this point. Yeah, look at this, it's crazy. All right, I'm out of here. I will see you guys tomorrow. I appreciate you. Yeah, Jason, I did. I answered them too, but then you started repeating yourself. I don't know if you're lagging or what's going on. I said I would go take Profit Trader and Lucid. Take Profit Trader and Lucid. Then I would go Tradeify and Apex. But if you're looking for cheap evals, I would say Apex. Traders Launch, I would start to throw in there with Tradeify, but they're hard evals to pass. So if you're having trouble passing the evals, I would just stick with Apex because they're the cheaper evals. That's my two cents. If you have any more questions, Jason, just text me or DM me on Discord. We can talk there. But I'm probably gonna go. Well, maybe I'll go work out first. I don't know, guys. I'm like all over the place right now. Because I got to return this too. Maybe I'll go return this and go work out. It might feel good. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. But yeah, I would say right now, Take Profit Trader and Lucid are my top two. Then, I mean, all three, Traders Launch, Tradeify, and Apex are like right behind it. I would say it really depends on like what your... No, I'm going to go shower then work out. If I'm going to work out, I'm obviously going to go do that first. But yeah, if you're struggling with the evals, I would recommend just sticking with Apex. They got 90% off right now, which is the best deal that they ever offer. Obviously, you can't go further than 90%. I mean, I guess you could do 95, but they've never done that before. And it's rare they even do the 90s anymore. So, but they're obviously doing it to celebrate the new website and the new changes and all that stuff. So, all right, I will be back tomorrow morning. Like I said, if you have any additional questions, jump in the Discord. We can answer them there. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, have a good rest of your day. Peace.